Hey, hi, this is Sundar. See, I'm sharing my trading experience. So, I found a pattern in Reliance. So, that is in 3 hours and daily. It should be a triangle. It was a triangle pattern. So, I was expecting for the breakout trade. So, before that, I have verified a top down analysis and multi time frame analysis. So, that is from weekly, daily, and 3 hours. So, in weekly, there is a retracement, area here. I'm expecting to happen. Market moves upside. If you go to the day time frame, I have found in 3 hours and day time frame, I have found a pattern, a triangle pattern here, and expected for a breakout, so that getting confirmation about the candle and then plan to enter the trade in a swing trade. So let me show. So I've draw a trend line with the alarm. So once the candlestick cross that trend line, I got an alarm. So I just keep watching in that, expecting to move a market to move upside. So using Fibonacci tool, extension tool, I mark that target area 0.6, 1 and then 1.6. So I enter the trade. Okay, let me show in 3 hours time frame. So I enter the trade, uh, you know at once the candle is break, and waited for the next candle to make more confirmation, because sometimes we might enter in false breakout. So I enter the trade at around 2:13. Should be here. Okay, exactly 2:13. So waited to market will retest that uh, nearest resistance or support area, key level area. So it came up to that level. So let me show it in 1 hour. So I saw the pattern at 3 hours, and then I put the stop loss below that, this area 196, sorry, 70. That was my stop loss. I expected it will break with a huge level of volume. So as I expected, there was a very good breakout here. So the volume level is, which is high in the previous bullish volume. So I enter the trade here 213, and it is a swing trade. I hope it will reach the target, first target, in 1 or 2 days, and it will reach the second target, might be within 5 days maximum. So okay, with the capital, I'll show you, like with the capital of 60, around 50, sorry, 60K, I entered with the 2% risk. So 213, I made a trade, and I put my stop loss at 2. Where should I show you? Okay, 213. I 20. I'm sorry. Let's go back to this area. I put my stop loss here 1970, and I put my target, first target here, and second target should be here up to this area. And I enter the trade on Tuesday morning, and then Wednesday morning the market started with here, and then it touched that area, and it reached this area. So I thought like some retracement will happen, and then the price will little bit move above and reach that 1.6 area. So I waited there, but market reversed here for waiting for a retracement, because yesterday it started with gap up. So it will touch, and then it will reverse. The candlestick will move upside. That is what I'm expecting now. So I already plan with a fixed trade. So I mean fixed target area. So once the price touch uh, this area, I try to exit. But yesterday I didn't exit because it is T+2. It should be, buy today, sell tomorrow, that kind of area. So there will be a risk of your shares will be sold out with less amount. So I waited for 2 days to complete. So once the price, I'll show you in 30 minutes, you'll get a clear picture. So don't get confused. So here I saw another a small pattern, and then a small breakout. So like that, I keep on trailing my stop loss above and above, and then here, and then here I altered my stop loss. So that to exit strategy, I created a GTT order, sell order. Other cancel, I mean, one will be, you can find the information here. So stop losses got triggered and target become dormant. So that one order placed, another got cancelled. So it happened today, and it reached that here. I expected once the price, if break this area, I can put my stop loss here. But I put the stop loss around this area, 85. So there is a breakdown, and then again I expected it will touch the trend line, it will move up, but it break the trend line, and then it touched the nearest fib area. So for trading, I'll use pivot and EMA for finding the trend and volume, and I use this one, visible range. Okay, I'll show you with the confirmation of here. See, this is the major high level smart money played here in this area in 1 hour time frame. You can find it. One minute, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the area. So previously I put my stop loss here, and then altered my stop loss here, and then trailing stop loss. I'm moving my stop loss as per my as per the market move. I thought to hold the trade for 2 more days, that is next week, Monday, or maximum up to Tuesday. But due to some other plan, I exited the trade. So this is my trading experience. That is margin used as of now. And if you go to holdings, the quantities goes 30 to 0. And once the exit order placed, you can find it in position C. Here it is going on. So you can find it sold holding. So minus 30. I just need to wait for today up to market close, and then exit the trade. And if you find the funds here, available margin, used margin, and below that you can find delivery margin. So this should be the transaction settlement need to happen, then only that amount get released and added here. So then if I want to withdraw the amount, I can get the details here, like how much I can able to withdraw. So currently the 50K should has to release today evening, I hope so. So I can able to get the amount Monday. So this is my so I started doing you know swing trade from here, from, I mean, today onwards. Not today, the Reliance trade is my first swing trade. This and all my starting career experience, and this and all, I'm keep on learning each and every day. I'm doing that same mistake again and again. I'm slowly, reducing my mistakes. So hopefully next year it will be, more greens and less amount of red trades. Let's see. Like, it's all about timing and mindset. So yeah, that's it from my end. So so I use Fibonacci tool for target, and pivot is for that day, how much area the market will move, and then where it will touch, and where the consolidation happen, to find out that area. For more confirmation, I'll use other indicators. I won't personally belong on indicators. I'll completely practicing on price action in this area. Like for indicators are getting more confirmation and plan to enter precise entry with exact stop loss. So planning with risk management, I'm moving on. So it will take some time to making master in this area. So my area of strength is like chart pattern. Okay, so that's it. That's it from my end. Thank you.